Hi guys, and welcome to day 7 of this spring reboot. And yesterday I started telling you about the importance of the liver in traditional Chinese medicine. In the spring, we have to take care specifically of our liver. So today I just want to share a few things that I do myself. Think of what happens in the winter first before we transition to spring. In the winter, we don't go out as much, maybe we move less, and we tend to instinctively want to eat more heavy food. So what that does over the winter is that it builds up toxin and it creates a little bit of a stagnation in the body, especially in the liver. It's a bit like the liver is asking for help. It's been overwhelmed a little bit during the winter. So what you want to do in the spring is you want to support that organ as much as you can. So yesterday I showed you some movement that you can do from Qigong, and today I'm going to share what I do. Actually, not just in the spring. Personally, I have let's say a weak liver and I need to have support all year round, but specifically in the springtime, this transition at the beginning of the equinox is to use, like, starting even in the morning, like you want to create a slowly and gentle release. And what I do first thing in the morning is I use lemon juice. So I used to do squeezing the lemon, but now I found you cannot find that everywhere. But in France at the moment, I'm very lucky that I have, I know it's going to show upside down, but citron means lemon. It's basically lemon juice already prepared. It's actually faster and cheaper to do this. So I put just the bottom of a cup, and then I pour a little bit of cold water, and then I boil water, and I pour the rest on top. So I have a warm lemon juice in the morning. I know it's not to everybody's taste. I personally like it, but it's a bit like, like if your liver is like a sponge and it has become hard and heavy, and now you're bringing lemon, it's going to dissolve when it needs to dissolve. So to give a little bit of breath to the liver. And then during the day, what you can do also, so this is your morning drink, first thing in the morning, then you drink whatever you want, but actually what would support the liver is, the type of tea that is like herbal tea. And you would have, for instance, dandelion tea. What is good also is mint tea. I'm talking that's all during the day. A dandelion mixed tea as well is good. And then in the evening, you want to maybe have another mix that includes milk thistle, if I pronounce properly. And next to this, you want to have the type of food that is bitter. In traditional Chinese medicine, they associate specific flavor or taste to specific organs. And the way to support the liver is to use bitter food. So for instance, here I have something that I eat nearly every day. I love it at the time of the year, is arugula. So there's arugula, there's also dandelion greens, chicory, salad, anything that is, again, you can find on Google, look for bitter foods. Any bitter food at this time of the year to support the liver is awesome. So I hope that would have helped. Take care of your liver, do the movement as well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.